Good day everyone. I would like to present our web system called Documit. Documit is a web-based document request system developed using the Django framework. It is designed to simplify and modernize how students request school-related documents such as report cards, certificates, and other official papers. System overview. Documit automates the manual process of requesting and releasing school documents. Instead of physically visiting the school office, users can log in to the website, fill out a request form, and track the status of the request in real time. The system also provides an admin panel for school staff, allowing them to manage, approve, or cancel requests efficiently. The application is built with Django, a high-level Python web framework that promotes rapid development, security, and scalability. Now, let's discuss the main features. The first feature is the online document request. Students can submit document requests online anytime. Request details are automatically recorded and time-stamped. The second feature is the user registration and login. Secure login system using Django's authentication module. Users can create accounts, log in, and manage their profiles. The third feature is the role-based access control. Students can request and track documents. Admin can view, approve, update, release, or cancel requests. The fourth feature is the real-time request tracking. Users can monitor the request status like pending, approved, released, canceled directly from the dashboard. And the last feature is the admin dashboard. Displays all requests with options to change their status. Helps administrators organize and manage student records efficiently. The next part is the system architecture, which illustrates how our system is structured. First, front-end layer provides the user interface for registration, login, and document request forms. Back-end layer, managed by Django, which handles routing, authentication, and business logic. The last is database layer, stores all request records, user accounts, and timestamps securely. Now, let's test our web system and see how it functions. Before we can log in, we need to register first. And after we log in, the system automatically takes us to the home page. As you can see, no documents have been requested yet. So let's request one document. Then add another. And another. As you can see, the status is pending. I log out of this account and open the admin account to approve the request. As you can see, the admin has received the request. Let's approve the request and log out this admin account. Then open the account that sent the request. Now, the status is already approved. Then I log out of this account and go to the admin dashboard to reject the two requested documents, and I remove the other document. After this, I log back into the account that made the request to check the status of the documents. Now, as you can see, the two documents have been rejected and the other document has been removed. So let's log out of this account and go to the admin page. Let's log in the admin account. As an admin, you can see the requested documents and the user accounts. You can also create an account. Let's try. Now, the account has been successfully created. So let's log in and try request a document. So let's log in. So let's request a document. After this, we go to the admin dashboard to see the request and let's approve it. As you can see, the requested document is now here. So let's approve and log out the admin account and let's open the account that made the request. As you can see, the request has now been approved. Using Document, I've demonstrated how Django can help create a secure, dynamic, and user-friendly web application. This system automates document requests, makes school operations more efficient, and improves the overall user experience. While the system is fully functional, it's still a work in progress, and there's room for future improvements. That's all. Thank you for watching.